A drop shot rig is a popular fishing setup designed primarily for targeting bass and other freshwater species. It consists of a fishing line with a hook tied above a weight or sinker. The weight rests on the bottom while the hook is suspended above it, allowing the bait to hover enticingly in the water column. Some anglers will argue that it's difficult to cover water with a drop shot rig. In this video, I will explain a proven and effective method that I use. Hello anglers, my name is Xandro and I'm in my 50s. I have spent years learning the intricacies of fishing, including the best techniques, gear, and locations for various types of fish. My first-hand experience allows me to provide valuable insights that can improve your fishing skills. I have the ability to break down complex techniques into understandable steps that makes it easier for others to grasp and apply. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now.
Hey guys, fell on my ass trying to get this one. First catch of the day. This is a beast, guys. That sucker. I could tell he was a good size. I was pulling my drag. Let's measure this puppy. Sorry about that, I forgot my other GoPro. But haven't caught one this size since pre-spawn, guys. "19 inches long. You guys see that? 19 inches long, guys. I'm gonna go to my
The drop shot rig is often used with soft plastics or live bait, providing a versatile approach to fresh and saltwater fishing.
second catch of the day, guys. Yeah. Got hooked him. Yeah.
This presentation is effective for enticing fish without dragging the bait along the bottom, making it ideal for precise and controlled fishing in various depths. Before I go over this special technique, let's talk about the type of line that I highly recommend to help improve your catch rate. I would typically use something like the Mr. Crappie high visibility line. High vis helps significantly in drop shotting, especially when covering water, and I'll explain why shortly.
Barely got this guy. As I'm pulling him in, the weight got stuck on a rock, but I was able to reach it with a net. He was swimming towards me. If you guys drop shot enough, you'll know that when they're swimming towards you, you get a lot of slack. So as you're reeling it in, it just feels weird. If you're not used to it, you're finding yourself reeling like a lot to get rid of that slack. And then a lot of times when that happens, you got a fish, you just can't really feel them.
Viewers, I will provide the links to all the products I mentioned in the description below. And as a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored or affiliated with the company of these products. Back to your video. It is important to understand that majority of the time, certain species such as bass will strike on the fall when utilizing soft plastics. That basically means that the strike happens between the time the rig hits the water and just moments before settling on the bottom.
Got a dink, guys. Gonna catch and release.
During this time, the soft plastic is flickering on the way down, enticing the strike.
Take you guys with me.
With that in mind, you don't have to wait until the rig settles to the bottom, enabling you to cover water faster. Because this method is during the fall, a movement in your line will indicate a bite. You won't feel anything. It's not uncommon to visually see your line moving in any direction.
Dang, another big one, guys. This is a fatty.
This is why a high-vis line is helpful and will definitely increase your catch rate.
This is the one that got away from me earlier, broke my line. I was so bummed out because I saw him and I know he was big. And just to show you, this is the one that got away from me. Look, you guys can see in there. If you look in there, you see the other worm? That's my first worm when he got away, broke my line. And this is my new worm. So in a way, it's good that I caught him because I don't think he'll do too well without worms stuck in there. I just kept casting back where I got him earlier. I was hoping he'd bite again, and he did. My instincts were right. Okay, I'm gonna measure him. He's 16 inches, guys. This is a little harder without my other camera, but I forgot to bring my chesty. Well, correction, he's 15 inch largemouth bass.
When a bite does occur, you simply reel into it to set the hook, as opposed to the traditional hook set.
Got away from me this morning, got him back. What are the chances of that happening, right?
Give it a moment for the fish take the bait. It takes timing and practice because if you wait too long, you can easily gut hook the fish.
Okay guys, here's my catch of the day. 4.
That concludes this video, and now I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's been with me throughout this wonderful journey.
Okay, turn around.
A special thanks to all my current subscribers and those who liked and shared my videos. I really appreciate all my viewers for taking part in supporting and helping this channel grow. And for those new to this channel, welcome.
Whoa, bring it in. Yes, it is. It is. See, he's like a cat. He will stand still. There you go. The bass.
back in the water. This guy is bigger. Sit, got my neck. Got my neck, guys. Whew. If you want to be part of this family, subscribe now.